Ever pondered the future of artificial intelligence? Welcome to the cutting edge of the AI revolution with Devin AI. As a beacon of transformation, Devin AI is redefining how we understand and interact with technology. Here's a peek into Devin AI's trailblazing capabilities. First up, imagine Devin AI as your personal assistant. You're in a mad rush to catch a flight. Ask Devin AI for the quickest route to the airport, and it instantly provides real-time traffic updates, guiding you directly to your destination. Next is natural language processing, or NLP. With Devin AI, your casual conversations turn into action. Mention your weekend plans, and it instantly adds reminders to your calendar. It's a perfect example of an AI that understands and interacts using natural language. Devin AI's computer vision capability is a game changer, particularly for online shopping enthusiasts. Want to see how that chic chair fits into your living room? Devin AI superimposes the chair onto a picture of your room, all thanks to its advanced computer vision technology. A keen learner, Devin AI's machine learning capability allows it to understand your preferences. From curating personalized playlists to recommending movies, Devin AI ensures your entertainment choices are always in line with your tastes. In the business world, Devin AI's robust data analysis tools provide critical insights into market trends, helping to optimize inventory levels and drive informed decision-making. Virtual collaboration is another strong suit of Devin AI. It facilitates seamless virtual meetings and schedules, ensuring teams stay connected and productive, irrespective of their geographical location. Devin AI's automation and optimization capabilities streamline e-commerce operations, automating responses to customer inquiries, thereby freeing up resources for more complex tasks. If you're ever unsure of what to watch or listen to, Devin AI's personalized recommendations come in handy. It suggests curated content based on your preferences, making content discovery a personalized and enjoyable experience. Predictive analytics is another feather in Devin AI's cap. It helps anticipate trends and forecast demand, empowering businesses to make strategic decisions with confidence. Lastly, Devin AI's customer support and engagement feature provides instant support, resolving issues efficiently and ensuring a seamless customer experience. In summary, Devin AI is revolutionizing AI development, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in this dynamic field. From personalized assistance to predictive analytics, it's shaping the future of artificial intelligence. As we continue this journey, we are paving the way for a smarter, more connected world. Thank you for being part of this exciting adventure.